One of the biggest challenges with tile is how do I keep my grout clean? So I'm going to go over a couple of different ways that you can select grout from Go that is going to perform better in high traffic areas. So we're going to use this tile as our example today. This tile has a lot of different movement in it, kind of a stone look tile. You can see that we could select a lot of different shades of grout that would coordinate with this and look nice, but we want to select something that's going to perform really well over time. So for example, this grout color right here pairs really nicely with this tile. It shows some of the highlights of the marbling that are in here, but this grout color might not perform great in high traffic areas over long periods of time. You might start to see grime and dirt. This grout color also pairs really nicely with some of the darker shades of marbling in this tile, and this would perform much better over longer periods of time in high traffic areas. So the last thing to consider when we're talking about grout is sealing your grout. It's something that everybody should do. It should be done when you install your grout and also over time as you use your spaces. So one thing to consider is that you can ask your installer to mix your sealer directly into the grout in lieu of water as you are having your tile laid and your grout installed. That's a great thing to do to really get that sealer all the way through the grout. You should also consider that you need to reseal your grout over time, especially in wet areas like bathrooms and showers. A great way to test to see if this needs to be done is to take and drop a bead of water on your grout joint and see if that beads up or if it soaks into the grout. If it soaks in, then it's time to reseal. So those were some quick tips on what you need to know to seal your grout. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you again on our next designer video.